I take pride in my work and I value making people happy with my craft. That's why I joined HandyPro, where there's always a high-paying trades job at my fingertips. With the new HandyPro Craftsmen app, now I can set my own hours, have more flexibility, and significantly increase my monthly income. HandyPro gave me instant access to new clients and great benefits. They treat me like family. As a professional skilled craftsman, HandyPro is dependable, loyal, and always respectful to me. Plus, they are fully insured. Join the HandyPro family. Increase your income, work when you want to, and do what you do best.